Commerce Commission is preparing legal action against Foodstuffs North Island and Gilmours Wholesale, alleging the two companies engaged in cartel conduct. Foodstuffs, the company behind supermarket brands New World and Pack and Save, has strongly denied any wrongdoing. Here's political correspondent Zane Small.
Legal action is looming over Foodstuffs North Island, the company behind supermarkets such as New World and Pack and Save. The Commerce Commission accuses them of cartel conduct, along with Gilmours Wholesale Food and Beverage.
We operate a delivery network, online delivery.
The regulator alleges the two companies set up a supply agreement with a hospitality customer that effectively blocked competition by another supplier. The Commerce Commission is taking a combined case alleging two laws were broken. If convicted of cartel conduct, each company could face a fine of up to $10 million. And if convicted of breaching the grocery supply code, the penalties can be up to $3 million.
It is important that the Commerce Commission use its prosecution powers when evidence is brought to it. And in this case, I think it's encouraging that those affected have chosen to come forward about this conduct.
A spokesperson for Foodstuffs North Island said, "We cooperated fully with the Commerce Commission throughout their investigation of this matter. We strongly deny any unlawful conduct."
There's no excuses for any of that behaviour whatsoever. We're a party in a government that believes in competition. We think that's a good thing.
It's clear that the two supermarket duopolies have had it too easy for too long. I think it's well and truly time we saw more competition in that sector.
The government has signalled plans to improve supermarket competition, and Nicola Willis is understood to be working on an announcement. But David Seymour may have cut her lunch a bit at the weekend, announcing an ACT Party policy to give fast-track approval to a new supermarket player.
Can you guarantee that fast-track approval will be part of your changes for supermarket legislation?
I'm not going to get ahead of Nicola at this point in time. We're the party that are big fans of fast-track. We think it's been really successful. It's highly likely we've been considering it pretty deeply.
Do you think you may have got ahead on the government on that?
Not at all. I wasn't going to give her a heads up on an ACT Party conference, because while we work very closely together in government, we are from different parties.
But at least the idea has teeth because the opposition supports it.
Very open to that.
And so it appears political consensus is brewing on supermarkets.
And Zane, David Seymour jumped the gun on another issue today.
That's right. It's all about a letter that was sent to the government by the United Nations Special Rapporteur on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. It's understood the UN laid out a number of concerns about the coalition government's agenda with relation to Māori rights, and that it singled out David Seymour's Regulatory Standards Bill. And it seems that Seymour took it upon himself to respond, but his coalition colleagues have pointed out that he's not the Foreign Minister and therefore shouldn't have responded on behalf of the government. Here's how it went down today.
I think the whole letter was a total waste of time, to be honest with you. But our response will come from Winston Peters.
As it turns out, I'm a little bit too efficient in my correspondence, so we're going to send the same message as one.
Well, I went to find out and I had to talk to David about who is responsible, how it works. I mean, this is a matter of experience here.
Yeah, so David Seymour met with both Christopher Luxon and Winston Peters, and it was agreed that the Foreign Minister should respond officially on behalf of the government.
Zane Small, thanks for the update.